Hello guys, hi. So after all, it's time to round up 2020 in a nutshell. I know many of us will not like to talk about it, and I know very few of them, or maybe a very handful, would like to talk about it in a sense that, well, we did not give exams this year. Many exams were cancelled, so we got our marks and we are happy with whatever the government of the or the council has given us. So that is always part of the story. Who wants to give exam यार? कोई exam face नहीं करना चाहता. Exam और interview कोई नहीं face करना चाहता है. बिना exam के बिना interview के result सबको चाहिए. So that is very common. It is always common with us also. It is common with students also. So let's just accept this fact. Okay. So whether I am at the age of 35 or 40, nobody wants to face an exam. So anyway, definitely while we round up this 2020, the basic thing that comes into our mind is COVID, right? The pandemic year, definitely it has been hard on many of us, and the whole society, the whole world was facing the same situation. The world has fought it in different ways in different places. We have also fought it. Every one of us has fought this one. So ultimately, coming to the point, the roundup of 2020 for our classes and the total SupNeet classes family this time. Normally in this time of the year, we normally have our yearly get together, which is named as oxidation. But this year, well, we could not have it, but we have donated the amount of profit that we have earned in some good cause. Okay, so I have written some chits and bits because I have to just round up it. That's why. Otherwise, I am not a PowerPoint guy, though I don't make bad PowerPoints. Believe me, guys, I make very good PowerPoints. At least people say so, but I don't like that. Okay, yeah, PowerPoint is a corporate wala thing. I don't like that. So normally, if we talk about 2020, the bad thing, definitely the COVID. It has affected everybody. People have stopped going to schools. People have stopped going outside. Things were at a certain point of time, everybody was clueless that what is going to happen. And I was remembering a movie that was Resident Evil or something like that. Those sort of thing is coming up in this way. Everybody in the house, something else is coming up in our door and knocking like coronavirus, some like zombie kind of things. So those things were coming in my imaginative and creative minds sometimes. Okay, so okay, now bad thing. Well, bad thing about COVID which has impacted education is basically many of them or many of us who were the part of this year, this academic year, you need to accept that you have lost a lot of study in this time. Everybody have lost it. Okay, na? Some may lose 10%, some has lost 70%. So those things had happened, and that comes with it. So we need to accept that and go ahead in life. Okay, so definitely there were losses to many students and their careers, and there were a few students I have seen they have gained from it also, but that is few. Most of them has lost it. Okay, another thing that came up is online learning in this time. It has really grown a lot. So bad thing is online learning cannot ever match with the offline learning. This is a fact that has been accepted by most of the people. I guess in real terms they have accepted it. Considering the safety reasons, definitely online learning will go on like that. The other thing is that we have learned the good thing about online learning, that everybody of the teaching fraternity, everybody of the student fraternity, the parents fraternity have learned one thing, that online learning can act as a very good support with offline learning. Because if you can keep a space where each and every lecture or each and every class is already recorded, so that even if that weakest student could not just understand one point of it, he can go back to his house, see that lecture once again. Well, he had to burn some midnight oil, that I agree, once again, and after that he comes back with some of the specific question with the teachers, then definitely the usefulness of this can be really utilized. Though I agree this usefulness is not utilized by at least 99% of the students, 1% have utilized it very well, but 99% have not. That is within our periphery what we have seen. I'm not talking about the total India, okay? We are talking about our own family over here. So definitely there are very, very good things about online learning. Definitely in 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours classes, maybe some student may miss something. He can go back to his house, watch the video and learn it. This is for those students who cannot sometimes go out of the barrier and ask teachers, oh kya sochega, mere ko nahi aa raha hai, I am feeling foolish. So those kind of students also have now the opportunity to go and see the video. And we have stepped up our technological setup. Definitely we are also storing all the videos at this moment in our app, and each and every student can have access to it. They can see the videos, they can revise from the videos anytime. The notes available in the announcement section, anytime you can revise. Okay, so this kind of things are definitely awesome things that has happened with online learning. Okay, definitely people have also created an alibi online में नहीं होता इसलिए कुछ नहीं पढ़ पाया. So अभी तो मेरा कुछ नहीं मालूम है. Actually you have wasted time. But I agree, in my student life, maybe if I was there in your place, I would have done the same thing. Believe me, I would have done the same thing. That is how the system works. That is how human psychology works. Okay, and I am no different यार, है ना? I am no different. उतना पढ़ाकू मैं थोड़ी हूँ. I am also like you guys. थोड़ा फाकी मारते हैं, ठीक है ना? Okay. So that is about COVID and online learning. That has happened. See, that has happened, already happened. COVID has happened, it has impacted. Now you have to use this online and offline hybrid mode of learning in a very good way so that there is no problem. So use it rather than misusing it. Okay, don't misuse it because it is going to affect you. Parents are going to not going to feed you all the time, right? At some point of time, it's up to you. Okay. Okay, now coming to the results. Okay, I should discuss results, right? What are the results that we have given? Every institute does, so I should also discuss a little, though I don't find it very much conducive to discuss that isko itna mila, usko itna mila. फिर भी यार, I should give an official communication. Well, I would not go into the numbers specifically. Okay, so because see, marks are very much one's personal thing. We have put some marks, that is definitely, but discussing it again and again in front of everybody, saying इसको इतना मिला, अरे भाई उसने मेहनत किया उसको मिला, ठीक है ना? Okay, so in case of ISC in class 12, we have seen good results from good students. Simple बात है भाई, good results from good students, ठीक है? समझ गए वो? तो जो अच्छा स्टूडेंट था उससे हम भी मेहनत किया, वो भी मेहनत किया, उसको अच्छा मार्क्स आया, ठीक है? इसमें कोई, I don't think there is any ambiguity in it. That is what has happened. People have worked hard, we have worked our part, they have got good result. That is what has happened. We have inspired them, they have worked hard. It is their marks, not mine. So I would like to name few of the students. Dishari, Mili, Shayan Das, Sogandha, they have all scored more than 90% and many others also. Even the average students like Shayani, Ipshita, अभय, प्रणय के साथ तो 4 दिन रात बिताया है, उसको और क्या बोलेंगे, ठीक है ना? So everybody of you know all this thing is a part of our family. So everybody did well with their respect of hard work. So जितना hard work आप करोगे उतना ही आपको उसका रिटर्न मिलेगा. मेरे तरफ से जितना हो सकता है, if I say I'll do 100%, I have definitely done 120%. Nobody can. I think if you deny it, you will deny it. But I myself cannot deny it to myself that well, I have not done my 100%. 100% तो किया ही है सबके लिए, ठीक है ना? So उसमें जितना हो सका, we have tried our best, and definitely the results are in your front. So you already know who have got the results. Next is in CBSE. So this was our first year with class 12. First year with class 12, and we have got good results. First year with class 12, we have got good results. We have got topper in JDS also. ठीक है ना? In our nearby school JDS, we have got our topper there. So this is our first year, and they are satisfied. That is the important thing. If they were not satisfied, that is a different thing altogether. So that is it, and I feel very good that people, those who have even now are in colleges or something, they still message me or they call me for some work or something like that, some queries. I really like some people, like Shopto called me that day from I think Assam. He called, sir kemon achen and all. So this is a different bonding altogether. This is irreparable. This is unparalleled bonding that we have had with our class 12th. I will always miss my first class 12th batch. You have been my first class 10th batch. I will really miss you guys a lot. Okay, I will really miss you guys a lot, and I really today also I miss you guys a lot. It's a lot of memories are built with you guys, and it's really awesome experience of my first class 12 batch that I have had with you. The memories of working together, the memories of studying together, memories of solving problems, memories of not being able to solve problems and then being able to solve problems after we worked together. That was really great. The experience was great. At least from my side, it was awesome. Nobody can get a better experience. I don't think so. Nobody can get a better experience that we have had in all our first batches, whether it was class 10th with you guys or whether it was class 12th with you guys. We have had memorable experience, excellent experience. इससे अच्छा experience हो ही नहीं सकता किसी के लिए, ठीक है ना? Excellent है. Okay. Next coming again result से चुक गए थे यार, ठीक है. Result में देखना पड़ेगा यार. तो CBSE के लिए भी हमारा first batch था class 12 में. Shoptok, Shohom and Susanket, 3 were our first CBSE candidate. These were the and only CBSE candidates in class 12. 3 CBSE candidate था अपना. 3 of them scored more than 90%. I am happy with you guys. You have worked hard. You have got your results. Thank you. And coming to the competitive examinations, first of all I would like to clarify one thing, that is in competitive examination we have had only chemistry up till last year basically. So we have given the mock test for maths, physics, chemistry all, but for teaching purpose we have had only chemistry. So that is what I accept, and everybody of you know this thing. So I'll talk about Susanket Sarkar. He is already placed in IIT KGP Aerospace Engineering, Sagnik Khan, NIT Durgapur Metallurgy. I'll say that in chemistry, Mili Bhaumik has scored 96 percentile in JEE Main. Shohom Mitra scored 98 percentile in chemistry in JEE Main. So these are the few of the important points that I would like to say that has happened with our first batch. अभी बोलो इससे अच्छा first batch क्या मिलेगा यार? क्या हो सकता है इससे अच्छा? So I am really blessed. I will not say by God, but by the kind of students that I have got, I am really blessed. Thank you. Okay, now coming to the class 10th results. Well, class 10th result में देखो कुछ बोलने लायक नहीं है. Everything was already predicted. My prediction video भी है. So prediction के साथ ज़्यादा इधर उधर नहीं हुआ. एक ही सिर्फ आपका प्रेडिक्शन से एकदम सरपास करके ऐसे चला गया, दैट आई वुड से आर्यभ बैरागी, ठीक है ना. उसका 90 केमिस्ट्री हो तो आज भी मैं बोल देता हूँ तेरा 90 केमिस्ट्री में नहीं आ सकता, इम्पॉसिबल है. हाउ डिड यू गेट 19 केमिस्ट्री? बट डेफिनेटली गाइज यू हैव डन ए ग्रेट जॉब यार. 90 तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था, बट डेफिनेटली वी हैव वर्कड हार्ड टुगेदर. लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी हैव स्पेंड सम टाइम फ्रॉम 10:30 एट नाइट. आई थिंक यू यूज्ड टू कम एट माई हाउस दैट टाइम फॉर सम एक्स्ट्रा सेशंस एंड ऑल. So we like that bonding and it really worked well, I think. And well, ऊपर वाला तो देख रहा था, काम हम लोग कर रहे थे, ऊपर वाला तो देख रहा था. So उसको तेरे को 90 मिल गया केमिस्ट्री में. I am very happy with that. See, for any coaching institute or any family of coaching like us, I would say it is not only marks that matter, it is not only toppers or rankers that matter, it is always the bonding between the student and the teacher that really surpasses everybody else. Okay, everything else. And also the important thing is that a student who is not so much good in studies, ठीक है ना, उसको भी आप कितना इंस्पायर करके, कितना मार के ऊपर थोड़ा सा हेल्प कर सकते हो, so that he get a decent marks, he improves his studies, he gets some interest in studies. अभी देखो we are in the field of education ना, so we are not going to create an interest in cricket or football, we are going to create interest in chemistry, physics, biology, maths, right? That's what we do. And so वही करेंगे. So उसके बाद अगर 10 बंदे में से 5 बंदा भी इंस्पायर हो जाता है, बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस है. So I hope I have been and we have been together The total family, even the students inspire students, students inspire teachers. I was feeling not well today actually before this, but I spoke to some students. They were so much exciting, so much energetic. Believe me, I was just lying down. I felt energetic. I said, okay, I'll finish the roundup work, the video now. So this is something that you need to understand. Inspiration टीचर से स्टूडेंट को नहीं मिलता, स्टूडेंट से भी टीचर को मिलता है, ठीक है, तो मेरे को तो मिलता है, तो अच्छा लगा. तो दोज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो इवन वर्किंग विद द वीकेस्ट स्टूडेंट गिव्स अस ए ग्रेट सेटिस्फैक्शन, ठीक है ना. सो देन ऑल इफ एन वेरी वीक स्टूडेंट गेट्स सम डिसेंट मार्क्स और ए वेरी वीक स्टूडेंट surpasses all your expectations, reaches there, it is very very satisfying. It is very very satisfying, and I hope I have been. But I would again mention class 12, the first batch. वेल ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो आंसू गिरेगा, ठीक है ना, छोड़ दो. क्लास 12 फर्स्ट बैच बहुत मिस किया, मिस करेंगे, हाँ ठीक है, बातें करते रहना, व्हाट्सअप करते रहना, ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट, नाउ कमिंग टू द एकेडमिक कंडीशन टिल नाउ, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है ना. देखो पूरा वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये वाला, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड एंड व्हाट इज आवर प्लान नेक्स्ट. फ्रॉम क्लास 9th आई वुड से ISCC and CBSE syllabus has been reduced, you know that. But what we did not reduce the curriculum of ours. In fact, we have taught the ICC syllabus to CBSE guys, we have taught the CBSE syllabus to ICC guys. That's what we do and that's what we are going to do all the time. So next year 9 में हम लोग next year क्या कर रहे हैं, 9th 10th में, ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट जो बैचेस आएगा 9th 10th में, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 8th को भी हम 9th के साथ कॉन्ग्लोमरेट करेंगे, so that they also get a little bit advanced, and we are making our own curriculum which will comprise of CBSE and ICSE according to their needs. If somebody cannot really cope up the pressure, then we'll let him stay with his syllabus and the others will get in. So we are creating that kind of environment, and yes, in some cases 2-3 teachers will be helping the students in one class. That is what we are going to do from next year. That is what my plan is. I have not implemented yet, so I will not formally announce that we are going to do it this way, but definitely that is what my plan is. It's different, and definitely we are always doing something new, and sometimes it happens that sometimes new things work, sometimes it doesn't, but कोशिश तो किया है ना, कोशिश तो किया. So this time we are implementing with full force this kind of a new curriculum which will comprise of ICSE, CBSE, and it is a complete package that we will be delivering to the students, ठीक है ना. and will definitely take care that जिसको उतना नहीं जाने का इच्छा है उसको उतना ही पढ़ाओ जितना उसको आता है, ज़्यादा नहीं है, ठीक है ना. या नहीं तो पढ़ लो, एग्जाम देने का जरूरत नहीं, सीख लो यार, एग्जाम सब कुछ नहीं होता है, सीखना भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है ना. एग्जाम इज नॉट एवरीथिंग, ठीक है. ओके नेक्स्ट. ओके सो ये था आपका क्लास 9th का बात. तो क्लास 9th में तो हम लोग ऐसे किया, सिलेबस ऑन टारगेट फिनिश हो गया, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. सो दैट इज व्हाट we have done in class 9th till now. We are on target, syllabus completion is on target. Some people are still not in the best mode to give test series, but we are starting our test series. In the meantime, with revision we are going to put material in those loopholes and gaps that some students have due to their backlogs due to COVID, definitely, ठीक है ना. Those things will be, because we have time now, that is the important thing, we have time now, we are going to utilize it. Coming to class 10th and 12th, very important here for you guys. You still don't know when your exams will be, but we are expecting it on April, May, like that. So in both of your cases, by December I think we are going to finish the 12th syllabus, and in 9th and 10th, sorry, in 10th we have already finished the syllabus, and 12th syllabus I think one class more, another class will finish it off. So that is it, and so both the syllabus has been finished on time. I would say I know very well many of you have not क्लियर द बैकलॉग्स, और पीछे का बहुत कुछ आपको मतलब मन लगा के क्लास नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया, पढ़ा नहीं, वट एवर मे बी द रीज़न. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ब्लेम यू गाइज, इट इज़ द सिचुएशन दैट इज़ लाइक दैट, ठीक है ना. अभी देखो जो लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहा है वो भी उतना काम नहीं कर रहा, वो भी मेरे को मालूम है, ठीक है ना. ही इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट वर्किंग, ही और शी इज़ नॉट वर्किंग दैट मच, ठीक है ना. सो इट इज़ नॉर्मल. सो नाउ यू हैव टू गियर अप, बोर्ड्स आर कमिंग अप, and we have time for revision. Again I will say we have time for revision. Again we are bolstering our team for you guys, ठीक है ना. We are bolstering our team for you guys so that everybody of us can help you to reach your best level. So you need to trust us and follow the method at least from now. At least from now you follow whatever we are doing. It will be important. Okay. Next thing. Okay. ठीक है. Class 11th. So this is the first time actually for class 11th and 13th. 13th means the repeaters batch. In both the cases we have started the first organized full JEE and NEET course. And in class 11th at this moment we are our total student is approximately 61, the data I have been given, and JEE NEET candidates we have is 47. So coming to the syllabus, again we have been able to meet the syllabus targets 85 to 90%, whatever our syllabus target, because the syllabus target was made in March, and after that what happened everybody knows. So 85 to 90% syllabus target we have completed. Okay, some part is left in maths and physics, not maths, physics and chemistry thoda sa backlog hai. As per my expectation the syllabus didn't went, but definitely we are going to cover it up. But we are comparing this 85 to 90% with our own target which we have kept for ourselves pre-COVID. Okay, pre-COVID. So we always fought with the pre-COVID targets. Okay, na? We have had lot of problems, we have handled them. Now people started at least believing that yes, we can do it. The family is working real. This group is great. The group is working well. I am also enjoying. Every teacher is enjoying working with you. And कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. ये belief रहना चाहिए. और ये belief रब रहेगा तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. ऊपर वाला तो देख चिंता किसर. हाँ? Okay. So coming to the points that I would like to mention in class 11, some are very well on track. ठीक है ना? Some people are very well on track, above my expectations. They are doing very well in both JEE and NEET. Some people. So that some people maybe 4 to 5 guys. ठीक है ना? That is above my expectation. Expectation wise, more or less everybody is in right place. Some people are having lot of backlogs that you and myself both knows, and we need to cover it up. And we will cover it up. We need to cover it up and we will cover it up. देखो यार मैदान छोड़ के भाग जाना कोई अच्छा बात नहीं है. ठीक है ना? We have jumped into the jungle. We are going to fight it out and come out victorious. That is what should be the attitude. बाद में ये नहीं बोलना है अपने आप को I have not tried my bit. That's what I do with myself. At the end of the day, I don't want to say to myself, I could have done a little bit more, 20% for you guys. Then maybe things would have been different. That's how I deal with my own conscience. If you can do the same thing, definitely something good is going to come in next few days maybe. Okay. बिकॉज ज़्यादा टाइम बचा नहीं है, एक साल बचा है बस. एक साल में कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. सिलेबस बहुत जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, कमिंग टू द रिपीटर्स बैच, आई थिंक आई हैव सम हाई होप्स. सो आई विल कीप माई माउथ शट अबाउट दिस थिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज टाइम इज रनिंग आउट. सो यू गाइज हैव टू गो एंड स्टडी. Thank you. Let's have a great year 2021.